Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot and now the terrible edition will be Monday. Now we don't carry come now the month. And we will quickly go through the different headlines we will give now. So at least for those of now we no follow from the beginning, now we fit do it, now we fit follow up. No way the now contribution now we fit put. First news we first carry give now. We talk say look, we go move Nigeria forward. Who they talk this one? Oga Presido talk say look, say it is just as the leaders to do it to move our country forward. From there we come tell the story about say we never forget Chibok girls. Now US, United States of America. Now then come and contact this one. I want to say they talk say look, since it's already 2 years now, where Chibok girls matter don't happen. Say look, for their own mind, say they never forget Chibok girls. Say they still get that sense of hope. Say they go find those girls. And from there we can enter Nigeria army matter. Where we hear say yes, they don't catch the second in command of that is Shakau. That is the commander, the leader of Boko Haram. From there we can enter straight to Agatu, where one United Nations spokesperson come and talk, say, look, say, Agatu don't destroy, finish. Say, Agatu don't destroy. Say, if our federal government don't find quick solution to this matter, say, it go enter second chance, maybe say they know if you handle. From there, we can enter to first scarcity issue where they linger right now. On to say, the Oga Ibe Kachukwu will be the Minister of State for Petroleum. Don't promise, say, April 7, say the issue of say the day for line, no good day again. So now all these news, now all these gist will carry sunshine now, and would they expect now cause so that at least after now they call in, make now they also contribute to our own quarters for the matter who don't table down. The program still now as it is hot. So Chukudi, you see, make I address the issue of fuel scarcity. No be waiting you talk. Why are you quiet on
Which
this?
one be? No be wetin I talk. Address issue of fuel scarcity. I'm not going to tell you to address it again. As I don't ask you to address it when you run away from the question.
Okay.
If you don't want to talk about that, don't talk about that.
Moving forward. We get Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi, they call us from Jos. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi. How you doing now?
We dey fine.
How your weekend?
Not bad.
Oga Chukwudi, are you loyal?
I agree to Oga Chukwudi from Jos.
Oga Chukwudi, are you loyal?
I agree to Oga Chukwudi.
Yes. I want to talk about this fuel matter.
Okay.
Why we they talk Ibe Kachukwu? I think they will get Minister of Petroleum.
Oh.
We know they ever talk of Minister of Petroleum. Abi that office, no, they don't put minister there.
Thank you.
Because when we complain of petrol, now they work of Minister of Petroleum to make sure they fuel be. And the other time the House invites state for minister for state of petrol instead of the minister. Why they not go invite the minister? If the minister has accepted to play the role of minister of petroleum, then he should be held responsible too. He has a role to play, and not this Ibe Kachukwu. Let us call the spade a spade. That's the thing.
Okay. Oga Chukwudi,
Like yes, about 1,500 naira, and it's very pathetic. It's very terrible. So the minister have a role to play to make sure there is fuel. So let us stop calling it a Kachukwu. Let us call the minister to
himself.
Very
so
true.
that's my own take.
Thank you very much, Oga
from Jos.
Chukwudi.
Thank you very much for your important contribution. But go good make we emphasize say whether we get junior minister for state for petroleum, or we get the person when we say in work na to just administer that particular ministry. It is very, very important. Say two of them they work together and then go ensure say once and for all this particular issue we solve them. We get Deba. Deba, they call us all the way from Warri. Deba, good morning and welcome to Acid Hot.
Good morning, Deba.
Yeah, good morning.
We dey hear you.
Yeah, you're right on. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
I agree to you, Oga Deba.
Yeah, I agree to now.
Okay.
It is really funny for some people to tell me say corruption they fight back. Fuel not dey, we say fuel not dey. I don't understand the whole talk about corruption.
Corruption fighting back.
You can imagine federal government give NNPC 90% rights to the import petroleum products when they know they don't have the productive capacity to do that. So when do they talk about corruption, they fight back here? Thank you, Abel.
Oga Deba, thank you very much
for your contribution. From the way where your voice take goes, everything shows say the thing they pay you well. We go address this particular issue, but we dey hope say the government go do a whole lot more to see say this problem they solve once and for all. We get Oga Okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga, okay, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwude.
Good
Okay,
morning,
okay,
Oga,
good morning.
okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Would they hear you? Would they hear you?
I beg, make a contribute small. I don't dare for this line. I don't tire, but I know we'll tire because now something will make our country move forward.
Yes, so.
Hello.
Would they hear you? Would they hear
Continue.
All right. First of all, the question what I want to ask, I believe that Mr. Nkubi will get this question.
Okay.
Why be say whenever our president want address the issue that affect Nigeria, go they outside country, they address us. Why not they do it here for Nigeria? That one number one. Then secondly, about the US, where common now they talk say they never forget the Chibok girls. Why be say they don't help us that time, that initial time, where they see say the thing
We
see
need the help, yes.
come help us out, make we find them. They feel say we go still find those girls. They feel say something like that still they exist. That one and second one. Then tell you I must give kudos to our able and gallant soldiers for their job well done. I they thank them. Then also, I they thank soldiers also. We bring those people we believe say they corrupt their hand there for bad things. We hand people over to EFCC. I thank them so much. Then lastly, for about the fuel issue, as when I don't talk and all finish. If that's 2nd of April reach and nothing work out, it's time where that man go also come carry jerrycan, come follow
The
fight
line,
for
they find,
service
yes.
station, buy fuel. Thank you, and may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Oga, okay,
Thank you very much, Oga, okay.
Every time when you finish your contribution, you dey use prayer,
They follow
support
am up.
am, but e go good make we also point am out, say God don give us the sense when we need to move this our country forward. As we dey pray, say make things better, e go dey important, say we dey also dey work hard to see say the things move forward. We get Monsor. Monsor, they call us all the way from... Monsor, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Monsor.
Adeona.
Would they
They
hear you
greet you.
too?
Oga Monsor, where you dey come from?
I'm on first tag.
Okay,
Okay, first tag. Feel free to contribute.
Yeah, the waiting me I want contribute say the topic what I say on I go raise today, I don't raise them all.
Which one be that?
The Kaduna State governor when he said rules rules for regulating religious practices. I never talk about them.
Would that
Okay,
be-
feel free to contribute. Just tell us anything where you want to talk about that particular issue.
Because no, I know to get the rules, so now I tell I go discuss what I go follow on now.
Okay,
They
okay.
don't create rules to regulate religious practices.
Okay. Monsor, thank you very much for your contribution. Just dey listen. We go address that particular issue because for the past 3 weeks, na something wey we say on top of As E Dey Hot, we dey discuss am, the preaching bill. We get Halima. Halima, they call us all the way from Kaduna. Halima, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Alimat.
Now, this is a Fulani issue.
Okay.
I think that one they talk about Fulani because Fulani people, by like say they no get state. Let them go back to their country. See what they plan that state to now, that village to. How about it's not fair now? What the Fulani has to do with Benel State? There was a time in Kogi State too, they go soft and that. Fulani iron hand they need those. They don't need soft hand. If they follow themselves, one day they will turn us off for this country. So I said, no federal government, I don't know why whenever Fulani issue comes, federal government doesn't do anything about it. Except individuals themselves in that particular area that will fight for themselves. It's not fair. They should do something about these people. They should give them a place. If they don't have a place, they should stop causing trouble. Please.
Halima,
thank you very much
this
for that
your important
passion wey you take
contribution.
talk this one.
Agatu local government area inside Benue State. Now, people wey me say they don't see a lot of things, and we hope say government will do quick to address this particular issue. We get Oga Femi. Oga Femi, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Femi, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Femi, okay, bless you,
Like say
don't
the
lose that.
network of Oga Femi don't go.
What?
The incident for Agatu, they really
Very,
very sad.
yes, very
because we get local government area where we say they talk say Fulani herdsmen don't sack people come up for the whole community, and it go good make government do something about this particular issue. We know say for a very long time now, for several years, we don't get the issue of say herdsmen when we say people talk say some of them waka come from different parts of Nigeria, just they reside because of their nomadic lifestyle, they move from one place to the other. Them and farmers don't they get plenty issue. And for a very long time people don't advise government say make we get grazing sites or ranches where we say then go there and they go they take care of their cattle and it go stop the cases of say fights they happen between farmers or people when we say they come from this particular community and these numbers then when they pass so that the thing no go they cause plenty crisis, but it go be like say we never still address that particular issue. But maybe now when we say the United Nations don't look this particular issue, see say the destruction when we say don't come out from this particular incident, now something when they very serious. It go there important say make we face them, because if we get crisis for our hand where we say communities, people they run come out, people they displaced for where they come from, the incident go they really very sad.
But in all honesty, this matter no be matter we don't talk about today, because now issues so we don't raise severally on top of this program, and other we all believe say a lot of people don't also raise this matter, don't even get cases of different kidnap, even prominent Nigerians where the same alleged group sect do it in kidnap. So if we don't get this series of crises or with this same set of people, then I believe that time don't reach when our government go fit do it. Go fit find a central solution to this rather than to allow this to the repeat often. Because just as the UN spokesperson talks, say if we no do something about this thing, say hey, we no go fit handle it when that time comes. We get Chibuzo. Chibuzo they call us from Owerri. Good morning, Chibuzo. Chibuzo, good morning.
Good morning, Nkobi. How are you doing?
Are they fine?
I agree to Oga Chibuzo.
Okay, with the hear Oga Chibuzo, right on.
Okay. Please, I want question I want to ask now. What do you make on discuss about sports for this in the program?
As in the odds now show when we say what we they discuss now politics.
As Nigerian football is going down now, going down. At least people are supposed to bring it up one day.
See, Oga Chibuzo, what did they say?
What to do and what not to do.
Oga Chibuzo, we don't know this your important point. On Saturdays, you go listen to Femi and the gang. And when you listen to Femi and the gang, they discuss everything we get to do with sports. But on top of this, as the odds, the issues when we say they affect Nigerians as a whole. When get to do with decisions when people they take for government and other parts. Thank you very much for that important contribution. We really appreciate them, and we know say when Femi and the gang then sit down, they go discuss that particular issue and then go provide solutions. We get Godwin. Godwin they call us from
Ikorodu. No, we get caller from Ikorodu. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Who they are line? We don't
lose that particular call. Oga Chibuzo from Owerri, we appreciate your call, and everybody they very passionate about things when they affect us for inside Obodo Nigeria. But as it hot, like we don't talk now issues when we say they affect us politically. We know say almost everything for inside Nigeria.
Waiting there we say if there is a particular sporting issue where we say we affect Nigerians generally, where we say it comes for us to address. Somehow we just chip them in. You understand? But as they are, just as Chukwu don't talk now, something we say it eat deep into Nigerians. Something we say it affect Nigerians generally. So now we basically they address here. We get a caller right now from Aba. Good morning. Bolivar, good morning.
Good morning, Kupi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwu.
I agree to Oga.
Yes. Please, my question and contribution is this.
Okay.
Why not our president ask us to suffer for other 2 months or 6 months in order to build a refinery? Instead of this fuel issue, every time we continue to
lingering issues of fuel scarcity, yes.
Or since we are buying fuel for 150 naira a liter. Let him make it that 150 naira so that nobody will go and cluster. You enter the station and buy. Look at the Nigeria of about 150 million people. Yeah. We have no even single refinery working. What are we doing? What are we doing? What is our government doing?
Oga Bolivar. Oga Bolivar, but when our Oga President first enter, the refineries then been work for some particular time based on body language. What do you think say happen to the refineries that time, and what did they happen now?
Then what happened to the refinery?
Now who could be go answer that question?
What happened to the refinery?
Well,
Why not use this suffering we are suffering? Let us continue to suffer for about 6 months. Build the refineries so that there will be no problem again. Secondly, this Fulani has they always kill people, like slaughter people like animals. Are we animals in this country? Is that because our president is a Fulani man? He cannot do anything. He cannot talk. Why not? Why is he protecting Fulani people? Why? That's my own contribution. Let our government do something because human beings are not animals. May God help us in this Nigeria.
Amen.
Thank you very much, Oga Bolivar. Thank you very much for your important contribution. We get Job. Oga Job, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Job, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Good morning, Joe.
Oga Job, you did here? Well, the network, allow Oga Job making important
if we look within Bolivar talk, he said something, say, because of our president now waiting, and Fulani man. But we could also bear in mind, say, the issue of Fulani herdsmen don't start even long before this current president enter. But the point, what they normally talk, what we always talk, we say, look, the issue not be about who they for government. It is about finding a lasting solution to them. It is something they affect the nation at large. When we say it they cause confusion, they make people dey uncomfortable. It is the responsibility of whoever will be the president or whoever will be say now in responsibility to address them. So this is not a matter of say, okay, because of saying come from this end. And when it comes to the issue of fuel scarcity, we also be in mind say the Minister of State for Petroleum, Oga Ibekachukwu, also come and talk say, look, say the issue of refinery, say you go see, if it play out now, say at the moment Nigeria go see they do it, go they import. Would they refine our fuel from outside? We get Samson. Samson, they call us. Good morning, Samson. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, would they hear you? Right on.
Yeah, I'm calling from Ikorodu.
Okay, we can hear you, Samson.
Ross, that issue of that fuel. I will remember last week when Senate invited this Kachiku to come and explain why the fuel issue is extending to this. Why the man wanted to talk the truth that we are going to suffer for 2 months, and the party leaders begin the grudging mind. Why you should talk like that? You should tell Nigeria lies, and Nigeria like lies and truth. And in that issue, that means they are not ready to move our country forward. Why the man is trying his best, and they are sabotage are there making their own way? It's not good. Let's find through a truth so that we can move our country.
Very true. Okay, Samson, thank you very much for your important contribution. And we really appreciate that.
Okay. Samson, they hear you.
Okay, we get Oga Bobby from Amsterdam. Sorry for that jam with Oga Samson. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
The topic they too plenty, so I don't know who sort of touch for inside.
Anyone we want touch.
I said the plenty, so I don't know who I will touch.
Talk anyone with your mind.
Anyone, just start with anyone.
The thing we say, when you're there inside, we exercise patience, but it don't be 1 year now. They need to do things fast. You understand me now? Should say they really mean business. I'm not saying yesterday the president made business. Because for fighting corruption, it really shows he really made business to fix the country. You understand me now? So if we really look at it now, the former government today inside, when this crisis happens, if for gas it be for worse more than this one, when we see so. But I will give kudos to Nigeria government. This president wants to say they do their best. When you inherit a crisis like this, it's not easy to come up from inside.
Very true.
I just pray, may God give us the strength to move Nigeria forward.
Very true. Oga Bobby, thank you very much for your important contribution. And we like the nature of the way you say you take address the issue without bias. Say you don't reach 1 year, we must show say we get direction. Make it not just be like saying only excuse. Now we get Oga Ahmed. Oga Ahmed, they call us all the way from Ikoyi. Oga Ahmed, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ahmed.
Good morning.
Oga Ahmed, this your voice be like person wey need fuel.
Don't be small because yesterday I stay inside here all the day. I suffering, not be small thing. But it's not good. Now we get before, but why we go suffer like this for this country? Our elders, they are suffering us. It's not small. We are suffering for this country. But we have, God bless us. We have everything. But why? You wake up 4 o'clock to go and quit for line. You sit the whole day.
You know, if it's,
You cannot get before. We are suffering for this country. Look at another country. Cotonou, just Cotonou here, see Cotonou here. They don't have fuel. But you can never pay for you go to roadside and buy your fuel. Finish and go to your house. But they don't have anything like fuel. They don't have.
Yeah.
But we are suffering like this. But this program you people are seeing every day. I don't know that maybe they are listening to all these things. They are not listening.
No, one place they listen.
They are not listening because they don't want to change this country. They don't want to change. This government come, another thing, this one come, and it is what every day. Go to market, everything.
Don't increase.
You cannot go market and buy tomato. You cannot buy tomato.
Oga Ahmed, thank you very much.
I'm tired for this country. I'm very tired.
No, not tired. Just keep that sense of
just
hope
appeal
and
to
faith.
you, say make you no tired for the
No
country.
tired because now
make
we
you just try your best
go
to
resolve
dey
the
see how
matter.
we go just dey small. We believe say the government will do their best to see say they move this our country forward. Quick one, we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we will continue our discussion as it get to do with all of the action to do when we carry come from this weekend on top of As E Dey Hot. No go anywhere, we come back. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. We discuss all of the action to the when we carry come from weekend on top of the Ogbonge program, and we take calls to sample your contribution as it get to do with this particular issue. A lot of our people don't call to make their contribution for this particular matter, and the issue they follow one particular direction. We know if they make excuse for the country they go, and those who don't elect to represent us, they must do everything to ensure say Nigerians stop to they suffer. Very simple.
Chukwudi, we don't get calls, just as we talk. Get various calls, and every cause tends to face one direction, and that direction will be say if they affect Nigerians, and what in this direction, the issue of say okay fuel. If we look at, because say the issue of fuel, it cut across a lot of areas. Okay, transportation. If we want worker, we go need fuel to take move the vehicles around. And considering, come also look at say within that attached to this increase in fuel, the prices of buses don't they high as a result of this. And nobody say the salary of Nigerians increase, but still this the transport fare don't they. That is when I mean high, it don't high 3%. And then we can also look say okay, we no power. The power sector no they give us light, and we also need all these small generators who they take at least do it in a better pass my neighbor take hold ourselves because say now still fuel we go still do it in take the power arm. We got a caller right now. Good morning,
Daniel they call us all the way from Malaysia.
Good morning, Daniel.
Good morning, I greet Honor.
We greet you too,
Daniel.
The fuel scarcity issue now I want to talk about.
They reach from Malaysia.
Huh?
The problem they reach Malaysia too.
No, it didn't reach now, but they see even if you need to reach us for it.
Okay.
Because
you're right.
Remember, say this is not the second time that they give us date for this thing. So if I feel better, say make them try at least, even if they'll be the time they will give us, at least make them extend the time. This one now they don't talk April 7. If April 7 coverage now before no concord, they'll still come give us another date.
And that date.
If that date still coverage again for no concord, they'll still give us another date. Maybe at least extend the time. So I will know, so maybe even before that time, the fuel fee come, if no come. But at least make them extend the date. And the one way Oga Bobby talks, it was saying that the former government, they for what fact like this. When fuel scarcity be there for the former government, it not been really bad like this. The scarcity not been really bad like this. So waiting Oga Bobby talk, I not really agree with them, but at least make this government try, make them need to give us hope. Maybe say when the time reach now, we know we'll come see waiting and talk say they will give us.
Very true.
No,
Oga Daniel, thank you very much for your contribution. Abeg, tell our brothers they wait for inside Malaysia. Say when they watch As E Dey Hot, when they get all the gist when they affect us inside Obodo, Nigeria. Quick ones, e get one contribution when we say one of our callers been contribute about the fact say NNPC get 90% right to they carry fuel, they enter inside of Nigeria and to they distribute. But it be like say the capacity to do that particular work, they no get them. Now some of the issues where we say government suppose look. Because if you talk, say, okay, you don't give this person exclusive rights to do them, and the person don't get the capacity to use match them, it go good make you get other alternatives when we stop to the suffer. And for Monso, when call us from First Act, when we discuss the Kaduna issue, the reason why we don't carry and come now because we say an issue we don't discuss for a very, very long time. We've been talking about the bill when we say Governor Nasiru El-Rufai been sent go to the State House of Assembly, say when they regulate the activities of preachers, not be just Christians, but also every form of religion. Make people they behave the way when we say we're not going to get crisis inside that particular state. People don't come out kick against this particular thing, say if it cause problem for inside the society. But we don't check them out. We don't see say the thing don't do well. Oga Bobby, they call us back from
Good
Amsterdam.
morning, Oga Bobby. Welcome back.
Oh, now today when they attack me just now.
No be attack now. Opinion, Oga Bobby. No be attack.
According to Daniel, let me explain to Daniel now. What Daniel don't understand. If now this government is inside, if for wars pass like this, forgetting where listen, Nigeria will say anytime Minister of Petroleum just say one thing, say he's not a magician. Nigeria, they don't panic. Then I fear what causes fuel problem for Nigeria. That be say really one thing happen really happen when they say it can make Nigeria become chaos like this. Anytime when there's nothing, dollar when the black market dollar you're high, price of things just skyrocket. Fuel the same thing. So not blame them on anybody. Now when the government just make a statement, then everybody will panic. And people they put panic for their own themselves.
Very
so
true.
If now the past government did inside, if for worse more than this, just imagine the time when past government did petrol now 100 or something. Now petrol now how much? $30 something for a barrel. So you go look the difference where they inside. So maybe not look at like one big thing.
Very, very
now,
true.
If the past government, if for worse more than that,
very true. Oga Bobby, thank you very much for your important contribution. But it go good make we also point out say we know they do comparative analysis of this particular administration and the previous one. What the Nigerians just want now say this fuel crisis when we say the thing don't come be like something when we say we need to live with or we need to manage say we solve them once and for all and we get situation when we say something when we say God bless us with for inside this country the thing no go concourse inside Obodo Nigeria. From Oga Friday when call us from Plateau down to Oga Bobby when call back to use clarify that particular issue. We appreciate everybody when call as they are today. Those when try to call when we say the thing no connect and we no go vex for us. Our line a hot cake because everybody want contribute to the issue when they affect Obodo Nigeria. All the people when we say they watch us and they spread the word. Una don't do well, but una go do more. Tell una loved ones say we there for Wazobia Max HF57 for Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja, and also Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable anywhere inside Obodo Nigeria. You will also watch us online. Make people they watch. They understand how things they happen for Nigeria and to they contribute for this our country. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come up plenty smoke. Unkubi, you still get plenty questions to answer.
No, till tomorrow, just as Chukwu don't talk, my mom said we don't end the program for today. Till tomorrow, we'll go bring up and that Ogbonge matter from me, Nkubi. Now, bye-bye.
But what about fuel scarcity when they ask you? Why you no answer them? No, why you no answer them? No, why you no answer the question? You are running away from the question now.
The issue has been addressed.
Which issue has been addressed?
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.